realm of blockchain development, understanding project testnets is essential for creating robust applications. A project testnet serves as a crucial phase, allowing developers to simulate the mainnet environment without exposing real financial risks. This setup creates an invaluable opportunity to experiment, test, and optimize applications, smart contracts, and network protocols before they are deployed on a live blockchain. One of the primary benefits of using testnets is the creation of a risk-free testing environment. Developers receive free tokens, devoid of real-world value, enabling them to safely deploy and interact with decentralized applications. This sandbox setup not only fosters innovation, but also helps uncover potential bugs and vulnerabilities early in the development process. By addressing these issues proactively, developers can enhance their projects, minimizing the chances of unpleasant surprises when going live. Furthermore, testnets play a pivotal role in validating network protocols under simulated conditions. This allows developers to perform stress tests and examine how their applications handle high transaction volumes and network strains. Understanding the behavior and scalability of the blockchain in these controlled environments ensures that it can meet real-world demands without faltering once launched. This resilience to stress is critical in gaining trust from potential users. Involving early testers and users in the testnet phase offers a unique opportunity for gathering user feedback, making sure that the applications are user-friendly and functional. This collaboration not only empowers the development process, but also cultivates a knowledgeable user base that feels connected to the project before its mainnet launch. Furthermore, testnets enable developers to explore tokenomics and staking mechanisms, allowing for an intricate evaluation of these systems in a secure environment. Projects like Cardano have successfully used incentivized testnets to validate their protocols while rewarding participants, demonstrating the power of community involvement in refining product features. The transition from testnet to mainnet is a landmark moment in the development lifecycle. This phase often requires final optimizations, rigorous security audits, and integrating user feedback gleaned during testing. Insights gained from extensive testnet use inform these refinements, ensuring that the project is fortified, scalable, and secure. Moreover, projects frequently employ testnet airdrops to reward user participation, thereby enriching the community and solidifying user loyalty ahead of the mainnet launch. These strategic endeavors bolster marketing efforts and elevate visibility, paving the way for successful user adoption.